Hello guys, so today I'll be reviewing a product I got from AliExpress. This time it's a face mask for overnight. This is how it looks like. I'm holding it upside down. So this face mask is actually to repair your skin overnight. So the next morning you should see some results. I've tried this before, and actually it did soften up my face and brighten it a little bit, but I really like to use it because it's lightweight and it's made of aloe vera. And you know guys that aloe vera is made of a lot of healing properties. It has a lot of healing properties, so this should be effective, and I have high hopes about it. I will be checking in the next clip in the morning on how my skin looks and feels like, and you guys tell me if you think it's worth it or is it just me hallucinating, because I think it will make my skin better. But yeah, I think it's good. Oh, and before I leave, I wanted to show you how my skin looks like after I apply the gel, the aloe vera. And this is how the product looks like from the inside. It looks like a jello. Yummy. It doesn't smell anything bad. It just smells like aloe vera. If you tried aloe vera before for your hair or your nails, for your face or your hair, you wouldn't be surprised of the smell. However, this is how it looks like, and yeah, this is how my skin is kind of glowing now because I just applied the mask. But I will show you how my skin looks like the next morning. If it improved or not, I will make sure to tell you guys. And you should also comment and tell me what you think. Okay? Bye! So I just woke up, as you guys can see. My skin looks fine. I mean, it looks really hydrated. I didn't put any filter in this clip so you can guys see how my skin is really looking like, and I think it looks good. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it means a lot to me.